So today we are talking about beets, and fun fact about me, beets is one of my very favorite vegetables. It's all about how you cook it, it's what you pair it with, and the sauces that you put on it, and it just really adds some vibrant colors to your dishes. So some of the cool nutrient properties is that it is a natural blood pressure decreaser. So if you are challenged with hypertension or hypertension runs in your family, go ahead and add some beets to your meals on a weekly basis. With these vasodilating effects, it also helps increase your athletic performance. So if you are an athlete, if you are a weekend athlete in the gym, add some extra beets to your weekly meals, add some beet juice, and it will help to actually decrease your perceived exhaustion rate. And one last thing about beets, it actually helps to decrease the inflammation in your body naturally. So I hope you enjoy some beets this week. Check out some of those cool recipes that are linked below.